Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to add an aggressive shakes on your video by CapCut application. So here I already have the video clip on my project. You just need to prepare in your, so prepare the project and choose the clip, and to add the aggressive shakes on your video you just need to go click this button features here and go click a effects, and now you just need to jump into the video effects. Now in the search button right here you just need to type shakes, and after that you just need to go click search. Now let the CapCut find it for you, and now you just need to choose the effects that have the most aggressive shakes that you can use or apply into the video, and I got one here. And now we just need to go click it, and we can also adjusting the power of the shakes by click it twice, and after that you can adjusting the speeds right here. If you want to make it more aggressive, just drag it into the right side. If you want to make it less aggressive, drag it into the left side. And then you can also adjusting the range. If you want to make it larger or wider, go drag it into the right side. If you want to make it smaller, go into the left side. So whenever you already satisfied with the result, go back, click this cancel, and just go click this checklist button. And if you want to apply it in the whole video, you just need to drag this part until it's fulfilling or the same way with the video. Now let's have a try. So yeah, that's the way how to get an aggressive shakes on a video by the CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.